You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is w greater than 6. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Isolate the w. Divide both sides by negative 0.7. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is w greater than 6.